Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 18 Highland Street, Unit 2, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is a spacious 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom, second-floor apartment with 2 floors of living space that's been freshly updated with fresh paint and new floors. We're going to begin our walkthrough here on the first floor, starting with the double parlor. Pretty wide open, spacious double parlor with original hardwoods. Looks fantastic. Again, nice fresh coat of paint. This side of the double parlor houses 2 bedrooms. These are your 2 first floor bedrooms, of course. The upstairs houses the other 2 bedrooms, and this other side of the double parlor houses your bathroom. Again, pretty wide open, spacious, lots of bright open windows, plenty of outlets for an entertainment system, TV, what have you. This side also does house your front entryway, forgot to mention that. But again, a pretty sizable double parlor here with this apartment. Next, let's check out the kitchen. Kitchen area houses a tile flooring. It also houses the rear entryway into your unit and does lead to the second floor through this stairwell to your left. In the kitchen, you have plenty of countertop space and cabinets. Lots of cabinets above and below this granite countertop. You also have your in-unit laundry housed in the kitchen. That's right, you've got a washer and dryer already set up in unit. Kitchen appliances, of course, are all stainless steel, including the medium-sized refrigerator, the 5-burner stove and oven, built-in microwave, and single-bin sink. So from the kitchen now, we'll go back to the double parlor and check out those 2 bedrooms down here. Both of these bedrooms house a hardwood flooring. Again, same hardwoods you saw in the double parlor. This is probably the smallest of the 4 bedrooms. This is the bedroom to the left side on the first floor. I think this bedroom can still easily be used as a bedroom, albeit with a standard full-size bed set. I also think this bedroom obviously doubles perfectly as an office space. All bedrooms do house their own closet spaces, of course. Going on to the right side bedroom here. Again, hardwoods, fresh paint, own closet space. This one should be much easier to utilize. Again, standard full Excel should work perfectly. And that is essentially the second bedroom. Next, we'll check out the bathroom before heading up to the second floor. Bathroom houses a tile flooring throughout, basically the same flooring you saw in the kitchen. Full tub and shower immediately to your right side. And further on in, you've got your sink vanity set up and ready to go with the large mirror up above. Excellent. Now let's go upstairs, check out the 2 bedrooms up there. And you also have this very large, basically den room. It could almost act as another living room. It's very spacious, tons of space. New vinyl wood flooring throughout this entire first floor as well, just put in. So let's check it out. So here's the den space I was talking about. Just be aware of the slanted ceilings, but otherwise tons of versatility with this space. Again, gorgeous new flooring, bright open windows. This space can be utilized in a ton of different ways. I just want to show it from this angle as well. Awesome. Let's start with this bedroom right here in the corner. Both bedrooms house the same exact flooring, brand new vinyl wood flooring. Again, just be aware of the slanted ceilings, but I still think easily a standard full Excel bed set should work just fine. You could maybe swing a queen, but I think standard full Excel will be your best bet. So that is the first bedroom up here. And finally, let's check out the second bedroom up here. Again, same exact new vinyl wood flooring, plenty of space for a standard full-size bed set. There's your closet in the corner. Fresh paint once again, bright open window. And again, standard full Excel I think is your best bet. But once again, this is 18 Highland Street, Unit 2 here in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. If you are interested in scheduling a showing for this unit, feel free to contact the Nexus Rhode Island office at 401-288-1117. And I also, of course, advise to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we post on our website. And of course, any news about real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you.